All right, so it's our final day here in Florida. Today we're at Busch Gardens Tampa. We got here early. The initial plan was to go right to Iron Gwazi. We went right to Iron Gwazi, but the ride is currently down. So we ran over to Cheetah Hunt, and this was Braylon's first legit launch coaster. I mean, she did just do a Slinky Dog Dash yesterday, but she loved it, so now she's gonna ride with her mom. So yeah, we have the parent swap here, and how it works here at Busch Gardens Tampa is actually very handy. So we go up there until we're parent swapping. They give us a card that tells us a return time. So I get to go through the quick queue, and also does Kara get to go through the quick queue. So we don't have to actually wait in the traditional line, which is awesome. So yeah, Busch Gardens Tampa definitely has a great parent swap when it works anyways. But yeah, we're just, it looks like Iron Gwazi will be up and running here shortly. As we were on Cheetah Hunt, I could see some test trains going through. Nobody's on it yet, but I think they're actively trying to get that ride up and running here soon. So yeah, I have a parent swap already ready to go for that, so I don't have to wait in line. I'm just gonna walk right up and get onto Iron Gwazi. Braylon really wants to ride it, so I'm a little hesitant, but she wants to do it. I've been telling her, hey, it looks like it's an intense coaster, but she's ready to do it. And I don't know, we'll just go from here, see how the day goes, and should be a fun day here at Busch Gardens Tampa. All right, it is open. Me and Braylon are walking up the quick queue to get on Iron Gwazi, so I'm like super excited right now. And Braylon is, I don't know, she's excited. She says Iron Gwazi, I'm sorry, she said Cheetah Hunt wasn't that intense, so I think this should be good. We'll find out. Ready. Did you like that? So Braylon and I just got off of Iron Gwazi. Braylon, what'd you think?
I like it.
She likes it. It was a good ride. I still think Steel Vengeance is better, and I like Velocicoaster better. Again, that's just one ride. I'll have to get another ride on it later, maybe try to get the back row. But fun ride, super smooth, great elements. Fantastic ride for Busch Gardens Tampa. So kudos to Busch Gardens staff today. They let me in some not really restricted areas, but it's like behind the scenes area where they have the wine and food festival for their concerts or whatnot. They let me back there so I get a couple shots of Iron Gwazi that you just can't get from inside the park. So that was pretty awesome. They've just been great overall, so I just wanted to give a shout out.
Oh. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Ooh. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Ooh, guys, I'm a little scared. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm a little scared. Hey guys, we're gonna go now. Let's go, let's go. 1, 2. Yo guys, it's fun. Let's go. Oh no, why did I want to do it? Ah guys. Ooh.
just got off of Shikra and now I'm heading over to Kumba, try to give it like a, to see if it can redeem itself. Last time I rode, I didn't really think it was that good. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Got a front row ride on Kumba, and I'll say it's a little bit better than it was last year. Not as rough, but there's definitely spots where it just kind of feels like you're driving down like a gravel road or something. I really don't know how to explain it, but it's okay. I mean, it had some nice forces. The zero-G roll is still the best part of that ride, but I mean, if it disappeared, I honestly wouldn't have a problem with it going away. All right, so Braylon and I are in line for Iron Gwazi for round 2. I'm gonna try to go for the back row if we can, somewhere in the back, and yeah, just kind of get a good grasp of this roller coaster, and let's see how well it compares to like Steel Vengeance and whatnot. Round 2 on Iron Gwazi. Overall, I mean, it's still a great ride. I don't, fast-paced, very smooth, fun inversions, great elements. I think it's a solid attraction all around. Still don't think it's better than Steel Vengeance, but a good contender for sure.
Dad, the statue's breaking.
Say what?
The statue's breaking.
Yeah, it is. Oh, look, there's a bird.
Behold the Cobra's curse.
Ah!
You are mine for all.
We just escaped. All right, well that wraps up our day here at Busch Gardens Tampa. It is raining, so we are kind of sort of hustling it out the door. It's starting to pick up the rain now, crap. Braylon, Kara was actually on Iron Gwazi ready to roll out the station when they shut down the ride, so she unfortunately didn't get her second ride. But well, I guess that kind of wraps up our day here at Busch Gardens Tampa. Yeah, you can see people are starting to run because it's starting to rain a little bit more, so wish us luck.